Welcome back. Let's address Lecture 15, the Async Work Protocol Canvas. Modern hybrid workplace complexity isn't caused by a lack of tools. It is driven by constant real-time coordination noise. This canvas builds strict digital communication boundaries to recover your team's focused execution time. We do this by establishing document-first defaults. This means mandating a contextual written brief before any meeting invitation is authorized. We introduce communication windows to protect a daily unfragmented 4-hour slot for instant messaging notification. We enforce meeting filters to block calendar invites that lack explicit agendas, and we transition status reporting from real-time video syncs over the centralized project boards. Let's codify your async limits to kill instant messaging interruption loops for good. Open section K of your playbook workspace. First, set your response SLA. Enforce a clear 4-hour window for routine internal messages so your technical specialists are on tab switching all day. Second, define the core meeting rule. If there is no agenda and no live dashboard baseline prepared, the meeting does not happen. Period. Finally, lock your team's dedicated focused execution blocks directly into section K. Stop the recording for 3 minutes, protect your team's calendar boundaries, and return for the capstone rollout.